Hi there, guys. Listen, Richard Shepherd here from Skrumpt. Thank you so much for downloading the Residential Valuations Toolbar for Firefox. So these are basically the installation instructions to install the Residential Valuations Toolbar in Firefox on a Mac. So you should have received an email. The email would have contained a link encouraging you to download the toolbar directly, so that was downloaded somewhere on your computer. What I want you to do is just to save that somewhere on your computer where you can find it in the future. Okay, and what we're going to do is just open Firefox. Once you've got Firefox open, you're going to go up to Tools and then Add-on and Themes. Okay, we're going to make sure that we've clicked on extensions and then manage your extensions. You should see this little cog roughly on the top right. We're going to click on that and then down to install add-on from file. Okay, so we're going to click on that. We're going to find this residential valuations toolbar that we've just downloaded and saved somewhere on your computer and click open. Okay, now you're going to get this little thing that comes up where it says add residential valuations toolbar. This extension will have permission to access your data for all websites and access browser data. That's absolutely fine. We're going to click add to that. It's then going to say residential valuations toolbar was added. Manage your add-ons and themes through the application menu. And we're going to tick that. You can click it, tick it or not tick it. It's up to you. And we're going to click OK to that. Okay. We can then stop this or close this tab. Now what you're going to see is on the top right hand side there's a little icon for the residential valuations toolbar, and all we need to do is to click on this icon. This little tab opens up where it says add in your postcode. So we're going to put in our postcode RG27DU. We're going to click on search, and hey presto, 14 tabs open up in Firefox in relation to the postcode that you have just typed in, allowing you to value your property instantly. Okay, so I hope you have good fun using this. I hope you make a lot of money using this. My name is Richard Shepherd, and I'm from Skrumpt, and happy hunting.